Ready to unlock your iPad's artistic potential with Procreate, even if you're relying on GCash. First, let's fire up the App Store. Locate the App Store icon on your iPad's home screen. It's the blue icon with the white inside, and give it a tap to open. Now that we're in the App Store, look for the search bar, usually at the bottom right, that says Search. Tap on it and type Procreate in the search field, then tap Search to find the app. Locate the Procreate app from the search results. It's the one with the distinctive green icon. Click on the app, and you'll be taken to the Procreate App Page, where you can see screenshots, reviews, and most importantly, the price of the app. Before you hit buy, we need to make sure GCash is linked. Head to your iPad settings, scroll down and tap on your name at the very top to access your Apple ID settings. Then, select Payment and Shipping to choose how you want to pay. It will ask you to sign in with your Apple ID. Sign in. Select Add Payment Method. Check if GCash is linked as a payment method. If not, select GCash. Follow the instructions to link your GCash account to your Apple ID. You might need to verify through the GCash app. Go back to the Procreate App Page in the App Store now. Tap the button that shows the price of the app. It might prompt you to confirm your purchase with your Apple ID password, Face ID, or Touch ID. Depending on your settings, authenticate your purchase. After confirming, the app will begin downloading and installing on your iPad. You'll see a progress indicator on the app icon on your home screen. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, tap the Procreate icon to launch the app and start creating your masterpiece. Now you can create great art.